Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can use the CapCut template in TikTok. So the first step that you need to do is of course open the TikTok apps on your phone, and here the next thing is that you can explore in the For You page, and until you find the CapCut templates like this, there is a video with CapCut template, and click on the CapCut try this template option, and you'll be directed to this page. And after that, you can just click on the use template, the red one in here, and you'll be directed to the CapCut app. So that's the first way. And the second way is you can just search for a specific CapCut template. Just click on the search column and then type in, for example, CapCut template aesthetic, for example, like that. And then here you can select a video. You can see there is the same button, CapCut try this template option, so you can just click on that button, click on the use template in CapCut, and you'll be directed to the CapCut apps. And after that, you can just click on the use template and then add your clip or photos. Okay, let's say I want to use photos in this template, and after that click on preview, and here is the preview page of the templates that I chose before. Then if I want to save it, just click on export at the top right corner, and here I just can export without watermark by clicking on this button. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on thanks. Bye.